Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahdi English School. This is the video for students of class 2 subject science. Now, as we read the thought for today is, if you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun, done by APJ Abdul Kalam. So this is very famous thought given by him. It means that if you want to achieve success, if you want to be successful in your life, you have to burn, you have to work hard. Just like the sun burns and then gives the light to the whole world. Right? So we have a daytime. Otherwise, the whole day would be night. So just like the sun burns and gives the light, you have to burn means you have to work hard, and then only you will shine. Now, the instructions that I am giving you, always I would repeat that instructions for all the kids, and I expect all of you are following it. Be kind, use polite words, listen very carefully, very attentively to everyone. Think first what you are speaking and then you speak. Be honest means speak the truth all the time. Never speak a lie in your life. Take turns one by one. You should share the turns in everything. Respect everyone. Even your elders are there, your parents are there, and everyone you should give respect. Help others. The people around you, sometimes they need your help. So help them. Do your best in anything and everything that you do. Then, our today's video will contain all these things. Lesson number 9, rocks and minerals, that we have been studying in the past few videos. We will continue with that lesson. I will give you the recap of the previous video, what we learnt about rocks and the types. Then explanation of the chapter. I will explain the chapter further. And what are we going to learn? We are going to learn about soft rocks and minerals. That is what we will learn today. That is the new thing. So first let us get the recap of the previous video. In the previous video, we had learnt the lesson rocks and minerals. In that, what had we learnt? We had learnt about the names of the rocks like granite, marble, sandstone, coal, chalk, slate, minerals, iron, tungsten, quartz, graphite, silica, china clay, talc, gemstones, ruby, emerald, garnet. And we had learned that our planet Earth is made up mostly of rocks. All these rocks make our planet Earth. Then we had also learned that rocks are found anywhere. And everywhere you see the rocks, like mountains are there, hills, valleys, pebbles, stones, are all made up of rocks. And even in the soil, in the ground, and in the sand, we find small rocks are there. Then rocks are of many colors, we had learnt: white, black, red and grey. And rocks are very, very hard. Usually all rocks are hard. Some are not, but mostly all are hard rocks. There we had learned different types of rocks. Do you know that? We had learned about granite, very hard rock, and it is used for making all these floors and tiles. Then we had learned about marbles. It is also a hard rock. This Taj Mahal, it was made up of white marble, and it can also be used for making statues. Then we had learned about granite. It is a very, very hard rock used to make floor tiles. That is what we had learned. About marble, we had learned all these things, that it is a very hard rock used for making buildings, statue and all other things like floor. That is marble, a type of rock. We had learnt about sandstone. That is also a very hard rock. It is not as hard as granite or marble. So it is less, means it is less harder than granite or marble, and this is sandstone. Then we had done match the following of the types of rocks. I hope you had learnt it with me and you had done all this in your rough book. One time you have written the names of all these rocks. Now we will continue with the further discussion of the lesson. So, we will continue the discussion today where we had left. As I gave you the recap, let us continue learning about rocks and minerals. What are we going to learn? We are going to learn about soft rocks and then we shall learn about minerals. So, that two topics you will write down in your rough book, soft rocks and minerals. And I hope everyone is seated with the rough book open. Right, as I tell you all the time, so I will not repeat that instruction, but you have to do that every time. Now, first thing we learn about is soft rocks. The word soft itself says that they are not hard, very soft, right? Means you can break easily. They are soft rocks. So, see what is given. Some rocks are soft. Chalk is there. Chalk and slate are examples of soft rocks. As you know, you have already seen these two things, right? Chalk and slate. These are the two types of rocks. But are they very hard? No, they are not. It can be broken easily. So they are examples of soft rocks. You take up a chalk in your hand. With your fingers, easily you can break that chalk into 2 parts or 3 parts as you like. Slate will also break down easily if the slate falls down from your hand. It will break down easily because they are soft. They are not so hard, but they are still considered to be rocks. They come in the category of soft rocks. So these two examples you should write. See below what is given. Chalk is used to write on the blackboard. So both these things go together. Why do we need chalk? You know that very well because when you are sitting in your class, you see the teacher is writing on the green board or the blackboard you have in your class. What does teacher write with? The teacher uses chalk. As you can see the teacher writing on the blackboard with the chalk. So that chalk is a type of rock which is used for writing on the blackboard. So this is the rock from which the chalk is made. Some chalks are of good quality, some are not. So here it is given soft rock. See, to write on the blackboard. Here it is written, see the arrow. This is soft rock from which the chalk is made. And this chalk can be used for writing on the blackboard. Next. See these images, the two images which you can see over here. What is this? Can you identify this black color substance? This hard thing? What is it? Charcoal is used to cook food. Did you know that? See here, two images you can see. What is being done over here? Cooking and engine. Here, fuel in engines. Do you know that trains, what is put inside it? How do trains run fast? In the old times, it was used the coal, charcoal was put in the train's fuel tank, and the train ran very fast. So that is fuel engine of the train. See, the man is putting that coal. This is the coal which you can see over here. That coal is being put inside the engine of the train, and the train runs faster. Here you can see the lady, she is cooking in village. In village, the people, they use this coal, the charcoal, for cooking as instead of gas stove. What do they use? They use this coal for cooking. That is the use of coal. Even that is a type of rock. Next. See the images over here, slate, and here also the slate you can see. So what is the slate used for? Slate is used to write on it, right? When you are learning addition, subtraction, or in your lower standards when you learnt ABCD, or 1 to 10, how did you learn? How did you write? Did you write directly in the book? No, the students are first given practice of writing on these slates. So slates are very, very useful. They are used for giving practice to the students when they are learning, when they are just beginners. So slate is used to write on it. This is the point you can note down in your book, the use of the slate. Now, after reading this much, we have a short exercise. Sort the following things as soft and hard rocks. Write S for the soft and H for the hard rocks. So we have to write S and H. If it is soft, we will write S. If it is hard, then we will write H. I hope you understood. S for soft and H for hard rocks. Right, let us do it. So, after giving the heading, let us start with number 1, CHALK, chalk. Here are the images, different colors, chalks are given over here. So, is it hard or soft? So, for chalk we already know that some rocks are soft and chalk is the example of a soft rock. So, the spelling we will write, and we can also write S for that. So, here I have just put an S. You understand with S that chalk is a soft rock. Number 2, GRANITE, granite. GRANITE, granite. Where is the granite? Can you see it? It is over here. See, this is the image of granite. See the arrow. And some rocks are hard. Granite is very hard rock. It is used to make kitchen counters in kitchen. So we write H for granite. So we write H because, as I said, it is very hard rock. Then number 3, MARBLE, marble. Here is the image of marble. And marble is also a hard rock. It is used for what? For making buildings, statues and floors. Even the Taj Mahal in Agra, it is made of white marble. So what do we write over here? For marble we write H. Marble is a hard rock. So we write H here for hard. Chalk is soft, granite hard, and marble is also a hard rock. Then next two images we have SANDSTONE, sandstone. Sandstone is also hard, but it is not very hard like granite or marble. But you know what? The Red Fort in Delhi, that is made of sandstone. It is made up of red color sandstone. This is white, but that Red Fort is made of red sandstone. So it is hard rock. So we write H for hard rock. You can write HARD, hard. SLATE, slate. We just learnt about it. What is it used for? Used for writing. Students use that slate especially in their lower standards nursery so that they can learn how to read and write. That is also an example of soft rock. Just like chalk, slate is also a soft rock. So for slate, what do we write? S. S for slate and S for soft. So these were the 5 things that we have read and written. Chalk is soft, granite is hard, marble is also hard, then sandstone is hard, and slate, that is soft. Now, what are rocks made up of? That is also one of the most important things that we learn. What are they made up of? Do you know that? See the images of the rocks. Different rocks we have learnt. What did we learn about? We learnt about so many types of rocks like granite, marble, sandstone, chalk, slate. But do you know how are they made? What are these rocks made up of? That is also a very important thing that you should know. So, see over here. What can you see in these 2 images? all the rocks are made of minerals. See, on the left hand side you see the rocks, and right hand side see how they are made with minerals. So different sizes are there and different colors of rocks are there. Many colors we have learnt of the rocks, like white, black, red, grey. They are of different types and different sizes, but they are made of minerals. Here you have to learn the spelling of minerals as well. minerals. Minerals, right? They are made of minerals. Then granite. This is the image of granite rock. So most of the rocks are made up of two or more minerals. Like granite, you see it is made up of how many different minerals? 4 different minerals. So mostly, as it is written over here, most of the rocks are made of 2 or more minerals. Like there is a combination of 4, and so we can make one granite. See here, feldspar, quartz, mica, all these are making one granite rock, right? These are all combined to make one granite rock. So it is said that 2 or more minerals, they combine to make one rock. Next, minerals. See here the images of the minerals. You have to identify which minerals are this and how are they used for making rocks. What is the importance of minerals? As in the lesson, we are going to learn about types of rocks that we have already learned, and we will also learn about some minerals. So let us study what are they. Minerals are not easily available. It is very difficult to get minerals. Where do you get it from? Can you get it from a shop? No. Minerals are very difficult to obtain. So we should not waste them. These are the images of different minerals that you can see on the screen. So they are not easily available. Available means you cannot get them easily. You cannot see that minerals anywhere. They are seen very less. We need to extract from the rocks. Where do we extract the minerals from? We need to extract them from the rocks. Means these big rocks are there. We have to break them. We have to go underground and we can obtain minerals. See how this man is going down underground to extract the minerals. That is how we get minerals, and it is very difficult job that this man is doing. He is going inside the ground to extract minerals. Extract means to take out the minerals from the rocks. It is not an easy job. Then see over here, we use minerals in our daily lives. Every day we use minerals. Do you know that? For different things minerals are used. Some images over here you can see. Tube light is there, jug, watch, and shining objects over here. So how are the minerals used in our daily life? Do you know that? Let's read. Now I will teach you the properties and uses of minerals. Where are they used? What is the importance? What are the properties? All that things we will learn about minerals. So let us read. Here see the two images. IRON, iron. This is the image of iron. Here commonly found and hard. So what is the meaning of this? Commonly found means very easily you can get this. Very easily. But it is very hard. So it is written over here. Iron is commonly found and it is a hard rock. It is not easily breakable, but it is commonly found. Common means something which is there everywhere. So this iron or iron you say that is found easily and it is easily available, but it is a very hard rock. It has a very hard surface, not soft like chalk or slate, but it is hard. Then see this iron. Iron is used to make tools and nails. Did you know that? What is the use of this iron rock? As we learnt that it is very hard. So where is it used? It is used for making these two things. Which are the things? TOOLS. Tools. See, all the things are there which are used for our daily uses. All these things are made of iron. And even nails. You know, nails are used when you want to fix something on the wall, like you want to fix a blackboard on the wall, or you want to fix a photo frame on the wall. For that we need nails. So these tools and nails are made of iron. Then quartz, commonly found and hard. So this is also same like iron. It is found commonly, as it is written over here. It is commonly found and it is a hard rock. Just like we read about iron, same thing we are reading about quartz. It is a common and it is found and in many places, but it has a hard surface. It is in crystal form. See, this is the crystal form, and this is the image of quartz. White color rock, as we saw over here. This is the same image of quartz and it is found commonly. Then different types found in different colors. Which is this? It is the same quartz which is found in different colors, as you can see over here. These are the different colors of this rock quartz, and it is also useful, but it is not soft, it is hard. Then quartz is used to make different gemstones and wrist watches. Now you learn the uses of this rock. What is it? Used for making gemstones and wrist watches. Some people have that habit of wearing wrist watches. Do you have that habit? It is a good habit. So wrist watch, it is made with the help of this quartz. This is quartz. And even gemstones are made with the help of this quartz. So here you will learn the spellings: GEMSTONES, gemstones, WRISTWATCH, watch, wrist watch, worn on the wrist. Then see over here, talc. Talc is the softest mineral, very soft, not hard now, and it is the softest. Means no other minerals are as soft as this. It is the softest, and the spelling is also very easy, TALC, talc. Then what do we learn more about talc? It is not in crystal form and it is used to make talcum powder. So you might have heard about talcum powder, right? The powder which we use. That talcum powder is made with the help of this talc mineral, and it is not in crystal form. It is not clear. You have to make it clean. See the talcum powder made with the help of talc. Then we have silica. The next type of mineral, silica, is commonly found in hard rock. Where is it found? Hard rock. So we know the properties now of the rocks. Silica is also hard, just like the other rocks and minerals. Next, silica is used to make mirrors and glasses. So you stand in front of the mirror, don't you? When you want to comb your hair or when you are getting ready, you stand in front of the mirror. So that mirror can also be made with silica. Then glass. We use glass for so many things. Even for the phone screen, we put the glass on top of it, right? So that the screen does not get affected when the phone falls down. So that glass is also very useful, even for making the spectacles. So mirror and glass, these are the two things made from silica. Next, salt. Salt is important and a basic necessity for humans. Without salt, we cannot survive. Salt is very important for our body. It gives us iodine, and iodine is very important for our body. Lack of iodine can cause many diseases. So, salt is very important. As I said, it is our basic necessity. You cannot survive without salt. None of us. So, salt is very important mineral, important and a basic necessity, as well as it adds taste to the food. Without salt, will you like eating your food? Will it be tasty? No. When you put less salt, the food will not be tasty. So, because of lack of salt, the food will be less tastier. So, when you put salt in the food, it will become more tasty. You might have experienced it. Then, tungsten. What do we learn about tungsten? Tungsten is used to make light bulbs and tube lights. You know that? See the light bulbs which we use at night, the night lamp that we use, and the tube lights are there. We use tube lights during the evening time. After it gets dark, we have to switch on the tube lights. And at night, some of us also we switch on the light bulbs. Right? So this light tubes, light bulbs and tube lights are made with help of what? Tungsten is used for making it. Then clay. What is it? China clay. What is it used for? It is used for making pottery and decorative plates. Very important it is. For this pottery, all these pots, jugs, we use what? We use China clay, and we also use it for making decorative plates. See, these are called decorative plates. These things are made with the help of China clay. Then graphite. What is it? Graphite is soft and grey in color. See, you will see the grey color of graphite. It is also very soft, as it is clearly visible. It is very soft. That is also a type of mineral. It is soft and grey in color. Then last thing we learn, lead of pencil. Now very important knowledge you are getting. How is the lead of pencil made? This lead of pencil with which you write, you sharpen it again and again. Right? So that is made with the help of this mineral, that is graphite. This graphite is soft and grey, and that is used for making the lead of pencil. So remember that thing always. Graphite is used for making the lead of pencil. So now whenever you write with pencil, you should know that you are writing with graphite. What is this? Graphite. So today we learnt about different types of minerals. We also learnt about the types of rocks. We also solved one exercise in which we identified the soft rocks and the hard ones. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching the video and have a nice day.